Konflik Rusia dan Ukraina memasuki hari 155 Kamis tanggal 28 Juli hari ini. Belum ada tanda-tanda mereda. Militer Rusia terus menyerang pertahanan Ukraina. Senjata presisi tinggi Angkatan Udara Rusia menghancurkan markas sementara Brigadi Mekanik ke-28 dan Brigadi Serangan Lintas Udara ke-79 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Nikolaev. Serangan di wilayah bekas pabrik produk beton bertulang dan perusahaan transportasi motor Nikolaev Stroytrans pada tanggal 27 Juli mengenai target. Musuh menderita kerugian hingga 200 prajurit dieliminir dan lebih dari 20 kendaraan lapis baja dan kendaraan khusus, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Secara total, 260 pesawat Ukraina dan 145 helikopter, 1.622 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir. Juga 358 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 4.167 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 763 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.203 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.494 unit kendaraan militer khusus hancur selama operasi, kata Letjen Igor. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kemenhan Ukraina juga merilis data 200 prajurit Rusia meninggal dalam sehari terakhir. Total 49.070 tentara Rusia dan sekutu meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari 154. Ukraina juga merilis bantuan militer dari Amerika Serikat dan negara barat terus berdatangan termasuk roket jarak menengah HIMARS dan meriam Howitzer.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed temporary deployment points of the 28th Mechanized Brigade and 79th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces in Nikolaev, on the territory of former factory of reinforced concrete products and Nikolaev Stroytrans Motor Transport Company. The enemy suffered losses of up to 200 servicemen and more than 20 armored vehicles and specialized vehicles. One company of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been completely destroyed as a result of shelling near Artyomovsk. In addition, the 53rd Ukrainian Mechanized Brigade near Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic has effectively lost its combat effectiveness as a result of the destruction of a command post by high-precision strike. Russian aerospace forces on July 24 destroyed more than 100 rockets for the US-made HIMARS multiple launch rocket system near Lyubimovka in Dnepropetrovsk region, according to updated reports. Up to 120 servicemen of the military guard in the site have been eliminated, along with foreign mercenaries and technicians. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 4 command and control posts of battalions of the 54th Mechanized and 17th Tank Brigades, the 107th Territorial Defense Brigade near Novomikhailivka, Zaitsevo and Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Malye Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region have been destroyed. 142 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit, including foreign mercenaries at temporary deployment point at the Ukrainian Energy Machines plant in Kharkov, as well as militants of the Black Hundred Formation near Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic. 8 ammunition depots have also been destroyed near Mayorsk and Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoandreevka, Malye Sherbaki and Stepovoye in Zaporozhye region, and Kulbakina in Nikolaev region. Within counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems and Getsin-B howitzer artillery battery near Dzerzhinsk, 1 battery of Grad MLRS near Bilbasovka, 2 platoons of Msta-B howitzer and 5 platoons of B-30 guns at firing positions near Otradovka, Dzerzhinsk, Novgorodskoye, Vodenoye, Konstantinovka, Kurachovo and Georgievka in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Barmashova in Nikolaev region. Also, 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Petrovskoye, Novomayorskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Barabashevka, Mikhailovka, Petropavlovka, Kamenka in Kharkov region, and Kuzmino in Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 10 rockets of multiple launch rocket systems, Olha and HIMARS, have been intercepted over Antonovka and Brylovka in Kherson region, as well as Kherson city. In total, 260 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,622 unmanned aerial vehicles, 358 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,167 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 763 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,203 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,494 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.